Good morning to all. Maths is a beautiful subject which makes you a wonderful person. Today we are dealing with part 3 of chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Okay, today we learn an 8 in reading and writing large numbers. If I give the number 4, 9, see that 4, 9, 2, 1, 8, 6, 5. So now you can read. Is it easy? It is little bit of difficult. So first you put the place value. Just you will see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Finally put 10 lakh. Okay, just you will write the place value. Next you will split that ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Now we will write the 10 lakhs, 49 lakhs, 21,865. Is it easy? So such a big numbers, just write the place value. Next you are able to read the numbers and also write it. So place value is helpful to help us to read and write large numbers. Okay children, now the next topic is use of commas. So we have learned how to read and write large numbers using place values. So now let us learn how to read and write large numbers using commas. So comma is also work easier. Okay, till now we will learn about the Indian system. We already learned crore, lakhs, thousands. Yes, that is nothing but Indian system. So apart from Indian system, there is another system reading and writing numbers, which is nothing but international system. Now we can learn how to read and write the numbers in both the system. Okay, கமாஸ் யூஸ் எப்படி வந்து இந்தியன் சிஸ்டம்லையோ இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் சிஸ்டம்லையோ எந்த பிளேஸில் கமாஸ் யூஸ் பண்ண போகிறோன்னு சொல்லி பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் டூ டைப், இந்தியன் சிஸ்டம் அண்ட் இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் சிஸ்டம். இந்தியன் சிஸ்டம் ஆல்ரெடி உங்களுக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். ஒன்ஸ், டென்ஸ், ஹண்ட்ரட்ஸு, தௌசண்ட்ஸு, லேக்ஸு, க்ரோர். ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஆல் இந்தியன் சிஸ்டம். அப்பார்ட் ஃப்ரம் இந்தியன் சிஸ்டம்க்கு அடுத்து இருக்கிற எல்லாமே இஸ் கால்டு இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் சிஸ்டம். ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு we will learn the Indian system where we put the comma. The comma is used to read and write the numbers easier. Okay, to make read and write the numbers easier. So just we will see the number 3, 8, 9, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, 9. So first you will put the place value 0, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore, 10 crore. Okay, look at this. So after 3 digit you will put the comma 1, 10, 100. So you put the comma. So this like next after 2 digit, because it is a thousands, 1000, 10,000 to make the lakh initiate. So after 1 lakh, 10 lakh you will put the comma. Next after 1 lakh, 10 lakh put the comma. Next 1 crore, 10 crore put the comma. So now how you read the number? See that the crore, 38 crore, 96 lakh, 54,219. So first என்ன பண்றேன்னா 3 digit after put the comma. Otherwise you will put the comma after 2 digit to make lakhs, thousands, crores to indication. So first என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்? How to you read and write using the commas in Indian system. Already we know little bit. Next, apart from Indian system is called the international system. In an international system, the same numbers you will write till 1000 it will be same. So see that 1, 10, 100, after put a comma. Okay, next 1000, 10,000. Next till 10,000 it is same. of Indian system. So next 10,000 after write 100,000. Okay, next 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. So 3 millions is there, 1, 10, 100. So after put a comma. Next 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So putting a comma. Next same way, ones, tens, hundreds, you will put a comma. I think it is easy to read and write the numbers in Indian system and international system. So in an international system, how do you read the numbers? 300 and see that 389,654,219. In Indian system, how do you read? 38 crore 96 lakh 54,119. Okay, so today we learn how to read and write large numbers and where you use commas in Indian system and international system. Also we learned how to read the numbers in Indian system and international system. If you are having a doubt means you just ask through my WhatsApp. Okay, thank you all.